Hey guys, welcome to the Monday Marketing Minute.
This week, we're going to talk about retargeting on Google Ads. It's a lot easier to get started than you think.
So let's start by defining retargeting.
Retargeting or remarketing is when you display an advertisement to a user who has previously interacted with your website before.
It's an effective way to run your paid media campaigns while building brand awareness because it is your target audience.
You can run a remarketing campaign through Facebook, but today we're focusing on Google, which can be on YouTube, Gmail, or Google's search and display networks.
You can use remarketing for users who have visited your site but didn't complete an action, like abandoning a shopping cart on an e-commerce site. Or you can use it to promote content on your site that they might not have seen, like a specific piece of content you want to get more downloads on.
Whatever or whoever your campaign is targeting, you want to make sure that your landing page is optimized and speaks specifically to that group of users.
Through Google Ads, you can add a remarketing tag on your website. This is the first step to building your remarketing list.
Let's say we're just focusing on users who have visited a certain page. In Google Ads, you can create a list of users who landed on certain pages of your site by going to the shared library and then audience managers and clicking on the remarketing list.
Google grabs users' IP addresses and stores them in that list to target with an advertisement later. When you're ready to launch your campaign, you narrow your targeting using that list.
Once you have the tag set up on your website and the list populates, it's easy to get started retargeting on Google Ads. Check out our Knowledge Hub for more helpful paid media tips.
And make sure to subscribe to our channel to catch next week's video on blog writing for beginners.
See ya.